Hi, I'm Diana. I was given these folding eyeglasses in return for this video, so let's go through the features. Now they come in this cute little carrying case. Got a handle there. You got this kind of elastic thing. I'm not sure what to do with that, but I'm sure I'd find a purpose. You just open this up and the glasses are inside. They also give you a nice little cleaning cloth. But I have to tell you, I was really impressed with the look of these. I'm a big tortoiseshell fan, so I love that they have that tortoiseshell effect. And they have the spring hinge, so they can kind of adjust to any face shape. They just fold out like so. They've got some very comfortable nose bridges here. And the lenses themselves are blue light blocking lenses. So if you work on a computer a lot, they're going to help, so your eyes don't get that eye strain. And they also have some UV protection up to 400, so you don't have to worry about that as well. Now, I really love these, the way they look. I like that look. And the other thing I will say is I wear contacts. And so I just got a low grade boost, like a 1.0 on these, because sometimes my contacts get fuzzy and I can't see up close while I'm working when I get to the end of the day. So what I found is I just put these on even though I have my contacts on, and it just sharpens everything. I can see my computer perfect. I can see anything in writing in front of me. So I'll wear these with my contacts if I start feeling like my eyes are getting tired. And then if I take my contacts out, I can use these to read before bed. I love that they're just so convenient. I can fold them up and put them in their little case, throw them in my purse, and always have them handy in the event I need them. So if you're looking for a pair of folding glasses, definitely check these out. They cross all the boxes for me with the UV protection and the blue blockers. So wow, I love that convenience. So definitely check them out.